A bustling household as members of this close-knit family drop by to visit. But the visit is overshadowed by the pain of 2 missing children.
They rip our family apart.
She's fighting for custody of her niece and nephew to raise them alongside her own children. We can't name her because that would identify children in care. They live in Fort McMurray, fostered by a non-Somali family. She's fighting that in court.
We were trying to tell them, please, let the children be part of the community.
This community activist says it's one of several cases, but placement, when possible, should be with extended family or community.
Safety is the paramount, but second that is the kid's identity, because when he grows older, that's what matters.
It's not this ethnic community alone. Immigrant groups say others grapple with it too. Kids already traumatized, separated from the only culture they've known, a culture not always understood by those intervening. This child advocate recalls one such case.
Things that would made my jaw drop, like the case manager and the worker not knowing what Ramadan is.
But there is hope. Things are changing.
I am very, very optimistic with our new Minister of Children's Services. I think that, he gets it. He's done more to reach out to the community in the last 40 or 50 days than the last 4 or 5 ministers combined.
The minister also wants change.
So my number one priority is to make sure that children are placed in kinship relationships, kinship care arrangements as much as possible.
And Buller says he's working on ways to make that happen. Andrea Hunkart, CBC News, Edmonton.